I'm Charles, by the way. I'm one of the sales managers. You are? Christian. Christian, nice to meet you. You're getting the...
Here you go, guys. This is now my 2021 X3 M40i. It's fully spec'd out. It has the 360 cameras, it's the M Performance suspension, M Performance brakes. It has the adaptive suspension. What else it has? It is the Shadowline edition. It has the carbon fiber interior. So this is also an additional option. I've already changed one thing out, as you can see. Change out the stop engine start button. It was this color and I changed it out to be red. Yeah, so, and there's a lot of more stuff in the back, a lot of more goodies that I'm going to put on the car, but that's for another video. But really what I'm showing you right now is this 2021 X3 M40. It has what, 15,000 miles, so it's fairly new. It's going to be my family sleeper killer car, because although it's an SUV, boy, this launch is way better than the 340. Let's take a minute. I'm just gonna do a cinematic roll right now on the car because it just looks too good. I'm gonna take some pictures too, and if you want to see the pictures of the outcome, go and follow me on Vibin, VIBINNW, Chris, CHRIS, on Instagram. You're gonna see the stuff right there. Honestly, Instagram haven't even seen the car yet. I've been dying to post it. I've been dying to tell my friends, but I just wanted you guys first to see the car. And yeah, so let me just take some cinematic rolls and some pictures real quick.